Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Can you see many new punches on my desk today? Yes, these are my new collection and some are old collection but I haven't shown you till now, and these are fabulous and super easy to operate. So I have small punches, big punches, border punches and lots of ideas. So without taking any more time, I am showing you how to use these punches one by one. So here are my small size punches and they are very nice and very quick access punches. So I am showing you one by one. This is my small daisy flower punch and I am just punching 90 GSM paper using this. So you just need to press on the paper and you will get the beautiful flower. You can decorate using this flower on your cards, scrapbooks, albums. And this is a designer punch. Using this punch you can create border like this, or also you can use these parts to decorate your cards. Now one more versatile punch is this butterfly punch. Yes, I am just a butterfly lover and in my most of the videos I use butterflies, so this is very useful punch for me. And this is the fall leaf and you can create beautiful fall card using different colors and just add these leaves here and there and your card is ready. Now this is one more very beautiful punch and from back side you will get a knot. Just open it and you can throw the excess paper. So just take any paper and start punching it in a row and you will get this beautiful sunflower border. Can you see this? I'm just showing you in white background. See how beautiful it is looking. And you can just open the notch and take out the excess paper. So this is very useful punch for me. Now this is very versatile one, and just taking one thick paper and punching this big leaf design and you will get this big size leaf instantly only after one punch. So from back side just open this knob and you will get the beautiful leaf. You can use this leaf to decorate your cards, envelopes, scrapbooks, layouts, mixed media, anything, and it's very easy to use. So this is all about my small sizes punches and these are very versatile and very easy to operate. Now here I am showing you the new corner punches. So I have these three new varieties here. This is very cute small round punch so that you can round your corners using this cute mini punch. Just slide your paper inside this and punch it and instantly you will get curved edges of your base. So you can use this to make tags, to make sentiment, anything, and this is very handy. Now this is the corner punch which is used to fix your photographs. So it will work like a frame, and after punching from all four corners you can just put any photograph just tuck inside these, and from all four corners you need to tuck it. I think my paper is little bigger, so I'm just trimming it little bit, and in this way you can create any size of base to attach your photographs like this. It's very unique one. And now this is very nice. So just take any rectangle or square paper and you can create beautiful corner designs using this punch. Can you see this, how beautiful it is looking? Now one more variation of this punch I am showing. From back side you just need to pull this, and now your corner punch is converted into border punch. Yes, now I'm just taking one paper and just punching it in a row. You just need to eyeball and punch it, and instantly you will get this beautiful daisy border. Can you see this, how beautiful it is looking? So either you can create corner designs or you can create border using this, and after using your border punch you can just apply it again back to its position and it's done. Now here are the most versatile punches, that is tag punches. Tag punches are very trendy nowadays because we create lots of envelopes, we create lots of cards, and we need all time different tags to decorate. So here I have two tag punches, one is rectangular and one is curved designer punch. Okay, and I am showing you it one by one. So you will get 3 slots inside the punch, that is 2.5 inches, 2 inches and 1.5 inches. So according to the size of your paper you can slide it. So minimum you can use 1.5 inch or maximum you can use 2.5 inch. The height of the paper doesn't matter, but the width should be according to this punch. So here I am using 1.5 inch paper strip and I am just punching it. So you will get this instant tag ready. Now I am taking 2-inch paper and again punching it. So we have 2-inch tag, and now I am inserting 2.5-inch paper and we have 2.5-inch tag ready. Similarly I am showing you with the another design. Here also we will get 3 slots. So I am showing you with 3 different sizes. Like this. So your tags are ready and very easy to make. Here I am just inserting one ribbon through my one tag like this, and when you create any slider card and we pull the ribbon very tightly, it can ruin your tag and it can tear hole of the tag. So to protect the hole we have this beautiful reinforcement punch. So you get 2 designs in this. Just take any paper and just punch it, so you will get 2 designs for your hole protector. And we have circular design and hexagonal design. So many of us knows how to use eyelets. So eyelets work best for the hole protection, but the instant one is, and in any color you can create these paper eyelets and it will protect your hole by tearing. So now when you will add any ribbon into this and accidentally if you pull it very tightly, it will not hurt your tag's hole. Very unique concept. I just love this punch, and this is very easy to operate as well. So I have prepared 2 tags using this, and I have just attached 2 paper eyelets on this, and it also looks fabulous. Now this is my circle punch. This is 1.5 inch diameter circle punch, and instantly you can take out any circle design using this punch. So you just need to slide the paper and it works like butter. So many a times I need to create my flowers, and for this I need circle shape. Like here I am creating 8 petal flower and I don't have time to cut the circle, so instantly I cut circles using this punch and I create my flower. flower is ready. And now you can create your own sentiment on this circle punch. Like just write any message on the circle. Like I'm adding word smile, just decorating it little bit using pen. And we have our sentiment ready. In this way you can utilize the circle punch in many other ways. Now here in one project of tea light holder, I have used the same punch to cut this top area to fit my tea light inside this. Now here are my favorite ones, that is border punches. These are super versatile and super attractive border punches. I have 4 new varieties in these punches and I usually use these punches in my projects. So I am showing you one by one. This is circular chain punch. So just insert any paper through this like this, and you just need to follow the design here and punch, and you will get the beautiful border design. Like this. I'm just cutting the border and it's ready to use. Very easy. And from back side you can just take out the excess paper, so it will also protect your desk. And now the next one is this beautiful dotted doily punch. Like this. Now the next one is scallop punch. This is very nice. If you want to create any base for your card, you can just punch all 4 sides using this and your base is ready. And the scallop design looks very nice. Can you see this? You can create different designs using these punches. Now this is my most favorite one, that is daisy punch, and I mostly use this punch in my cards and envelopes. So these are my border punches in 4 different styles. Recently I have used this punch in my quill couple video. I have added this daisy border punch here, and in my holy hamper project I have used this beautiful dotted doily design in front and inside the box. It's looking very nice. Now here is my jumbo border punch in lotus shape, and if you want to create big projects or if you want to add big borders to your designs, you can use these type of punches and it creates very nice lotus pattern. Can you see this? So again you just need to follow the design and punch it. And using this punch you can also create a frame design. I'm just showing you in a minute. Now on other side you just need to rotate your paper and you can create your own borders. Can you see in white background? So I'm showing you the frame design now. I'm just rotating my paper and just punching it, and in this way I will get the frame design like this, and it's looking very nice, very intricate. Now this is my most beautiful punch by Martha Stewart. This is quite heavy in weight. You just need to open the flaps from left and right sides. Take any paper and punch it. Can you see the beautiful floral design here? And the top border also gets cut easily automatically like this. So you don't need to cut the border using scissor. It's looking very nice. And now if you want to connect your border with the card, so you just need to switch this notch on other side, and then when you will punch it, it will not cut your border from top like this. Now it's looking like the design is coming from card only. Okay, it's not cutting the border. So in this way you can create two different kind of uses with this punch. Okay, this is very versatile and very nice. And you want a border cutting, you just need to switch your notch again. I just love this punch. Now my next one is again from Martha Stewart, and this is a corner and border punch and frame punch. This is called punch around the page. So we have this measurement book with this, and we can cut the paper size according to our requirement. In inches and in centimeter, both markings are given in this. So I'm taking 3.25 by 3.25 inches. You just need to open it like this to cut the corners. So first I'm chopping all 4 corners. So if you want only corner designs, you can stop here, but since I'm making a frame, so I'm punching it. So you just need to align from left and right sides and punch it. So you will get the beautiful border design all around the page. It's looking very, very nice. In this way you can create your own sentiments, your own small tags, and you can decorate your envelopes, cards very easily. So just you can add this sentiment in the center, add some flowers, and your card is ready. Very easy, isn't it? So these punches works very quick and fast access, and it makes our life very easy. Now last but not the least, this is my mini alphabet punch board from VR Memory Keepers. Yes, you can create alphabets from A to Z and digits from 0 to 9 using this punch board. So we have this guideline book which comes with this punch, and they have explained very well how to create each alphabet and numbers. So since my name starts with alphabet S, so I am showing you how to create S alphabet. Okay, so for this we need this paper which is 1.5 inches by 2.5 inches, and I'm just opening the S guideline here, and it is very easy to follow this. Nothing mathematical or nothing very technical. You just need to follow step-by-step procedure. So quickly I'm showing you how to create S alphabet. And the alphabet S is ready. Very easy, isn't it? In this way you can create any alphabet of your choice. You can create nameplates, you can create banners for birthdays, anniversary, and decorate your walls. So this is very versatile and very unique punch board. So this is all about my new collection of punches today, and hope you have understood each and every punch in detail. If you want to purchase these punches, I have given link in description box, you can check there, and there are many other uses. You can utilize these punches in different ways. So My project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. And if you want these kind of videos some more, just ping me in the comment section. I will surely try to do in the upcoming future. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.